Hi guys, Karen Miller here. Welcome. Today I'm going to do another salad, chickpea tuna. I have cooked chickpeas here. You have to cook it. It has to be not very soft, just tender. I have about 3 cups of cooked chickpea here. I have fennel that I chopped up. A cup of fennel that I chopped up. Right, and I'm going to use the fronds from this. I don't have dill on hand. Dill is an ingredient that is used in tuna salad a lot, so I'm going to just do the fronds of the fennel, and I'm going to have some dulse in it. This is going to give us that fishy flavor. I'm going to put some of that in it, and my mayo, which I made the mayo with lemon, because I prefer the flavor of the lemon in the mayo, and also black salt. The black salt is going to give the mayo that real mayo flavor that we have grown accustomed to. So I'm smashing the chickpea, and when I'm done doing that, I'm gonna get back to you and we put everything together. All right guys, I have my chickpea all smashed here. And I'm going to add my other flavorings now. So I'm going to add the dulse. I'm going to add 1/8 of a cup. And guys, what I noticed about the chickpea tuna is that it's really best if you make this, if you're planning on doing this for the next day, you should do it the night before. Because I think the flavors and the dulse and that fishy flavor, it really develops overnight. I know this seemed like a lot, but I really want that fishy flavor. I don't have cayenne pepper on hand, so I'm going to do like a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And I'm going to add my chopped up fennel. Gonna mix this in. So this is actually the celery substitute. This the fennel. And now I'm going to add my mayo. This is my mayo, guys, that I just made. And I have the black salt in it and my lemon, like I told you. But I have this recipe in my cookbook, or I have it on Patreon if you want the recipe. So I'm going to add, you see how it's nice and creamy? I'm going to add about a cup of this. And this is so delicious, this mayo. So delicious. All right guys, so I'm gonna mix this in. Chop it up like this, rock your knife. And then when I get back, we're gonna compose our salad bowl. All right guys, let's put our salad bowl together. I have some kale here, as you would see, and I'm going to put some romaine lettuce on top of this. So it's going to be kale and romaine. I'm going to put some cucumbers on the side. Stick it in there. Some tomatoes. You could also put pickles here, you know, if you like. And then I'm going to put my chickpea tuna on the top. Before I do that, I have some salad dressing here that I made. I made this with some of my cheese and parsley and oil and lemon, Just the usual suspects. So I'm going to drizzle this over. So this is like a little Caesar dressing. But if you don't have the cheese, you don't have to do it. I'm going to give this recipe as well on my website. And now I'm going to put my tuna. And guys, this is so delicious. And for some reason, it really tastes like tuna. Absolutely like tuna. All right, and then I'm going to slice some lemons. All right, guys, so this is it. Chickpea tuna salad. It looks really good, and I guarantee you it's going to taste a lot like you. If you love tuna salad, then this is the salad for you. All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends and family. Take care. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care. Bye bye.